Kaluwore kod oro masani ogotach e gwengego. Jodago eko yudo thuolo mariwore kod jokanyo mopogore opogore makonyogi e kedo gi ngaji. Gilero ni wach makamano nyalo rocho ngima dhano ponono ni ok giyudo resruok mapiyo piyo. Apisa mag piny owacho kaachiel kod moko ma ok mag piny owacho osingo matiyo kanyakla e neno ni jodak mag gwengego yudo pi, chiemo, pesa kod ng'iewo negi jamni.
We are in the middle of an emergency, a very biting drought that has, increased the suffering within the population, a population we know was just recovering from the last drought.
So maji ni shida, chakula hakuna, wananchi watu walitoa watoto wao shule, watoto wako kwa kichaka, hawana maji, hawana dawa, so tunataka msaada zaidi in Wajir South.
You are aware climate-related shocks and humanitarian situations affect these families, particularly children. And remember that, the loss of livelihoods is a risk factor to violence against children. You find that households which are food or material insecure are prone to violence and abuse. As such, we are honored to make sure that families, children are protected during this season.
And there's so many NGOs today who are present there, and they promise us kwamba watasaidia wananchi mahali popote. Moja ilikuwa water tracking, cash transfers. They have to make sure that they have to fill that promise ambao ili ahidi walipepa from the community.